What's life without some DIY hacks? The world would be a better place if we all start to reuse our stuff. From trash to treasure real quick. Let's see now what she's doing with balloons. You will want to remember this DIY project for your next Halloween party. A coffee cup and jute strings make wonders. What a cute little basket. Wondering how this one will end up looking like. Almost done now. A one-of-a-kind wall decoration. You'll be doing the environment a favor with these projects for sure. Simply beautiful. Let's learn how we can make a bouquet of flowers together. This would be a perfect gift for your loved ones. Can you think of someone you would give this to? Do you see yourself giving any of these ideas a try? It's time to make a tiny pineapple. As you can tell, it's quite an easy process. Knowing how bad plastic straws are, why not make something beautiful out of them? It really is this easy to end up with this. Everyone is creative in their own way, but sometimes it's good to be inspired by others' work. Cardboard lets you come up with amazing and unique results. We're loving this. We hope this video is inspiring you to try your own thing too. Ain't nothing better than seeing your own work in your house. How good does this look? Moving on to the next one. Simple and beautiful. We're leaving you with the last one.
I'll be good now.
Hope you enjoyed the video.